sum of the length of two trains P and Q is 330. The ratio of the speeds of P and Q is 5:8. Ratio between time to cross the electric pole by P and Q is 4:3. Find the difference in the length of the two trains. Okay, so here the sum of the lengths are given. So let's say the length of train P is LP and length of train Q is LQ, and we are given that sum of them is 330. So LP plus LQ is equals to 330. Now this is length. Okay, the ratio of the speeds of P and Q is 5:8. Now speeds ratio is 5:8, so I can say that the speeds are 5x and 8x, right? Ratio between time to cross electric pole by P and Q is 4:3. So here the ratio of time is given, which is 4:3. So I can say that it is 4y and 3y. I have assumed this value. Okay, now find the difference in the length of two trains. Okay, so let's first start with we have to find out this difference in length. So LP minus LQ we have to find out. So let's first start with this part, okay, which is given to us, which is LP plus LQ is equals to 330. Now this train is crossing this electric pole, right? Suppose this is train and it is crossing this electric pole. So when this part of the train crosses this pole, only then we can say that this entire part, when it crosses the pole, only then we can say that this train has crossed the pole, right? So that means this length of the train becomes our distance, right? That means this length here is our distance, and we know that length is equals to length, or I can say that distance is equals to speed into time. So here we know that speed and time. So let's say LP is equals to speed into time, which is 5x into 4y. Okay, 4y plus similarly for LQ, or I can say that distance is equals to speed into time, which is 8x into 3y, and this is equals to 330. Now let's solve this. We get 5 4s are 20xy plus 24xy is equals to 330, and this is 44xy is equals to 330. 11 4s are 11 3s are 4 1s 2 2s are 2 15s are. So we have xy, which is equals to 15/2. Now we have to find out this, right? So let's find it out. LP minus LQ. I'll take the mod because lengths can never be in negative. Okay, so LP, again LP is equals to distance, or I can say that 5x into 4y. So 5x into 4y minus 8x into 3y. LQ 8x into 3y. So we get 5 into 4 20xy minus 24xy is equals to minus 4xy, and we know that xy is equals to 15/2. So we get minus 4 into 15/2. 2 2s are, so we get our answer, which is minus 30. But this is in mod, and removing this mod we get rid of the negative value, so we get our answer, that is difference in the length of two trains LP minus LQ is 30, and this is our required answer. So here option B is the correct one.